Yeah, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to install this garbage disposal unit. It's going to be replacing the existing one because the existing one is just rotted away. So I'm going to show step by step how to replace the old one and install the new one. And you see right here, this is the water seal right here for this unit right here for the exit for the wastewater. Here's the pipe and the washer for it. Here's the bolts you need to fasten it. Here's the water seal, to prevent it from leakage from the piping. And here's the sealer to also prevent leaking from the piping as well. It does come with its own tool right here. This is the previous tool. It's very important to make sure you turn off the power to the garbage disposal and the dishwasher because sometimes they both share the same circuit. So if you read the instructions closely, and I find out this is part of the garbage disposal and the dishwasher, they both share the same circuit, and it's on 23. So I'm gonna shut this power off, and that's it. So I turn off the power just for safety, right? Okay. What you see right here is the plumbing to the garbage, from the garbage disposal for air passage, because this piping right here is connecting to exhaust pipe, to flush out, extra air, because this unit is tied to a dishwasher. So what I'm gonna loosen this bolt. All right, this tool right here, this is the old tool, and the new tool and the old tool kind of share. This one kind of helped me move the unit. So I'm gonna do this. And there it is. It's all its glory. Okay, since I removed the hose from here and the washer that holds it, next thing I'm gonna have to do is gonna shake it, and so you can see how rotten it is. It smells too, so this ain't got his work cut out for. So I'm gonna make sure I got my bucket in place so any water comes out, I can get it. And next option I'm gonna do is to remove the hard wires. So I'm gonna. You can see right now it's pretty simple, positive and negative. So what I'm gonna do is just remove the insulation. Gonna reuse it again. Also, this is from the unit itself, and this is from the house, and it's connected to this cable. And the main thing it is, since I separate the unit all together, the first thing to do is just remove the hard line. Pushing button. So basically, I'm gonna just remove the hard line. Shouldn't take that much to remove it. It's gonna take some time for me to massage the component out without damaging them. And plus, also I need to remove the ground right here. This is the ground. Yeah, it should be safe to touch because the power is off. So now, and I got to unloosen this part right here because I need to reuse it because it's part of the utility. Can't throw away stuff, especially electrical components, because it'd be a pain in behind to replace it and never damage it. Please do not damage this. Don't yank it out, just massage it out. Just massage it out. Don't force it, don't do, just be patient, and patient will come through. Just massage it out and just guide it out. That's it. What I'm saying is it's real nasty right now. Really, really nasty. Now, I do apologize, it's kind of gross. It is really gross. You see the hole right here? That is the hole. And it's kind of corroded out. This is very nasty and disturbing. I do apologize. It is just kind of gross. This is what happened and used over time. It did its purpose, you know. Yeah. Let me show you the inside of it. You see that hole? I'm going to put my finger blocking it. Alright, this next step I should have mentioned. This piece right here is for the dishwasher to deposit into the garbage disposal. Fortunately, it is plugged. So all I might have to do is pop it. Had to tap it. Tap it out. Okay, so here we're back again. About to hook up the hard lines. And first thing I need to do first is snake this in. Got to snake this all these the hard line in. Once again, patience is a very important step to make this thing not make an ordeal. So yes, even though the hard wire is very challenging to put in, you must be patient to put it in without nicking or anything. Don't go too rough. Don't go anything, because you have to be patient. Once the cable is in, make sure you get enough slack and since beginning to install the components. Okay, so now it's totally in. So now you see me with the cables. So I'm gonna do just wrap around with positive and negative. Put this cap here and then twist it. Does the rest. Don't need to do no special on it. Same thing for the other one. Just put it together. Just put these two together, and that's, you know, that's it. And just twist it and does the rest. That's it. The next thing is the ground. You got to put the ground in. Okay, I used the existing plumbing components and it fits. So let me show you what I did. Kind of guide it, kind of take off, and then you know, kind of guide it in. Kind of tricky. So I guide it in. So let's bring in the tool and then force it in, and that's it. Hey, I'm back. Had to go to the store. One thing I should remind people: once you remove this P-trap pipe, you can't reinstall it back in because it's just rotted, as you can see. So it doesn't make any sense to return it back. So what I've done is I bought a new P-trap pipe, same size, everything. And here's the layout. And I bought this Loctite. It's similar to the adhesive I used last time. You know, it's a good adhesive. And these rings, because these joint ring washers, because it prevent it from leaking out, and because you need these to prevent from leakage. Believe me, I know. Forgive me, it's T-storm right now. Maybe hear background is thunderstorm. My mistake was I got the wrong component, I should have got one that's called not a T-pipe, but a sink trap. That's what I should have got. And this is a male and female. It's roughly like $8 to $9. You get it from Lowe's or Home Depot. But basically, it's matching. It's supposed to be matching like this. And this is it right here. So it matched with this. And I'm gonna put this sealer around here. Putting the washer in between. Putting this pipe in. Okay, the piping is installed. You see right here, all of that is installed, and on the other side too. Believe me, it was a pain in the ass. And here is my damage here. I gotta cut myself. Yep, cut myself. When I did this, it's doing a test. Got to do a test, see the leaks. So this is much water I'm going to put in. I shouldn't put too much water. So now I'm going to release it. Check for leaks. So far, there's no leaks. So that's the first test. So I'm going to put a lot of water in. Lots of water. I'm going to put in a lot of water. Okay. The upper surface is okay. No leaks here. No leaks. No leaks. So now what I'm going to do is no leaks. So basically this pipe is installed. We're here to turn on the power. Turn on the power, back on. Power is live. Now the power is alive, and what we're going to do, you're going to hear it. Unit is functional, so we got power. So now let me see what it does. No leaks. Pretty much this thing is done.